Hello everybody and welcome to this platform. And today's video I have given a question: y squared minus 1 equals to 1 minus y. So we are supposed to find the value of y. Solution. Then here to copy where y squared minus 1 equals to 1 minus y. And here to write in short form of this word, we can write y squared minus 1, then minus here we have 1, then plus y equals to 0. And of course, if you're seeing this way, if we group this, get y squared minus 1 bracket and plus here negative 1 plus y, which equals to 0. And of course here this is a quadratic and this is difference of two squares if you're seeing as way, because here we have one squared, so we can separate them to get y plus 1, then times here y plus minus 1. This is what we have right here. Then here plus here we shall get y minus 1 by rearranging to get 0. Have y minus 1 and here have y minus 1, so that we can factorize y minus 1, then open bracket of y plus 1, and of course here we get plus 1, close bracket, which equals to 0. So we get y minus 1 times y plus 2, which equals to 0. And of course here we have y minus 1 equals to 0, or y plus 2 equals to 0. Y will be 1, or y will be negative 2. And here always have to check if the answer is correct, because we have given y squared minus 1 equals to 1 minus y. By using this value of y, which is equal to 1, we shall get 1 squared minus 1 equals to 1 minus 1. 1 squared is equal to 1 minus 1 equals to 1 minus 1, and 0 equals to 0. Left hand side equals to right hand side, to mean that this value is correct, so that here we shall get y squared minus 1 equals to here 1 minus y, to get here negative 2 squared minus 1 equals to 1 minus negative 2. So that here this is 4 minus 1 equals to 1 plus 2, and this is 3, which is equals to 3, and left hand side equals to right hand side, to mean that this value of x is correct. I can say that. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye. See you next time.